to reach your audience. So how many members you reach every day? That is reach. It may be 3 persons, or it may be 1000 people, or it may be 10,000 people. You never know. Some websites on which, like Amazon, every day millions of people purchase their products. So how many? And if I start a website, maybe 10 people, 10 persons would be visiting it in one day. So whether it is 10 or 10,000 or 1 million per day, you never know. What is your reach? How many people you are able to reach through your marketing channels, offline and online. Sometimes how many, then how often also matters, right? For example, Tim Hortons, when on a normal day I used to go twice. Once in the morning I would get a coffee through drive-through, and then at 1 when I go to another campus, I used to go to another campus to teach it. Then on the way I would have my lunch. So twice at least I would go, right? So this is how often also means. Sometimes we call it frequency. Although I am single person, I am counted as one, but my frequency is two. And how I approach them nowadays, it may be through skip the dishes. Tim Horton is advertising, okay, skip the dishes for Tim Horton is free. So initially it was going inside the store, then it is drive through, and now it is website or online, I should say. So yeah, how changes from time to time, how we interact or reach our customers. So that is why we need to have a combination of online and offline tools. That is what I was saying. Yes, please. This reach and relevance, when you reach people, you need to make sure the relevance of that message has to be relevant. Now we are coming to the relevance part of it. So when we are appealing, then we have to make sure that our message is relevant. Now, how this thing happens, how relevance is attached to these three types of customers, we will see that. So here first is a potential customer. Interesting thing, potential customer. Now relevance means when I am through my digital marketing tools targeting at somebody who is a potential customer. So I am a digital marketing specialist and I have to approach a potential customer. Potential means future customer, prospective customer, who will become customer in the times to come, right? In future, maybe that person becomes our customer, but not today. He has not started purchasing any products yet. He might or she might have signed up for a newsletter, right? Sometime you give your email ID to some website and then you can send me promotional material. Once I was interested in a finance course, then what I did, there is a company called Bloomberg. They prepare for finance course. It is a US company, but initially I signed their newsletter because they were charging a lot of money for the course, around $2,000, and for the course I was interested in. I thought it is too expensive, but let's sign up for their newsletter. So I have not purchased products yet. So I am just signed up. And now they have got my email ID and they will be sending me their digital material. They are the leads and customer company really wants to get. Now they want me as my customer. Now I am their potential customer because I have shown the interest. Interested means I have shown the interest by signing up for newsletter or email something. Now second type of customer. And then what happens is, then after some time, the digital marketer now wants me as their customer. So they will do what? They will send me a trial offer. They will send me a promotional offer that, okay, you can enroll for 1 week without paying it and you can cancel at any time. Now that digital marketer has started its job. That is what we do actually as a digital marketer. Then once I got the trial, right, I will use it and I may cancel it. But if I like it, I will not cancel it and I will buy the product. So this way they will capture. The third type of customers are customer with long standing, right? When you say birthday, it means you now are their customer year after year, and that is probably they want you, right? So these are regular or invested customers now, right? So this is how they capture us, right? This is digital marketer's strategy, right? And he or she or digital marketer wants to do what? He or she wants to send you the relevant messages according to whether you are just a somebody who is signed up for a newsletter or somebody who is already availing the trial.